Roblox Text-to-Speech. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you text-to-speech on Roblox and how you're going to activate it. So Roblox Text-to-Speech is a new beta that you can actually see on their Roblox website, okay? Now Roblox Text-to-Speech is basically a server that they added, okay? And this text-to-speech server allows you to, actually write some text and it will be converted into speech through AI. So this is a beta server that you can actually join and it's pretty incredible. Okay. And it's obviously for all you users out there who just want to have fun around in Roblox. And this text to speech feature is pretty incredible. Definitely use it if you want to get a proper text to speech support. Even the forums at Roblox have given you the privileges to get, the text to speech sequences. So, you can't really turn text to audio in all servers because you don't really get that privilege currently, but you can turn your mic on. Obviously through privacy, you're gonna configure your age and everything, turn off your account restrictions, and then just go to the text to speech server and then use text to speech, write any text, and it's going to be converted into a voice. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech on TikTok. Let's dive in. First of all, let's launch the TikTok app. So first of all, what you want to do, you want to create a brand new TikTok as usual. Let's say, for example, you want to click on text. First option will be welcome, right? We're going to use welcome in our example. And when you're done with inputting the text, you can also edit the appearance of the text. You can choose between different fonts. You can add different scripts, something that could be more friendly, something that could be more sophisticated, more formal. When you finish editing the fonts, all you gotta do is to click on top. It says text to speech.
Welcome!
Here, as you can see, you have plenty of different voices where you can actually choose your voice to be
Welcome!
pronounced from. You can see that you have something that is more friendly, something that sounds like a guru, like a male or female voice. You have a narrator, you have a metro. So essentially when you choose one, you gotta click on it and you have to press done.
Welcome!
Because you have the done option here, it's very important that you gotta drag down the whole text, and then holding on the text itself will simply allow you to edit it, right? So now when you are able to edit it, right, you can remove the actual center. You're able to edit it the length or the positioning. So essentially now if you try to add this as a welcoming part of the actual video, you can decide how long this sound, for example, will be. Is this sound will be at the beginning, or this should be some other part edited prior the welcoming part? You want to make sure that you consider this because this is very, very important. Best of all, guys, this is how you're using text-to-speech inside the TikTok app while you're editing. Also, you want to make sure that you're placing the text-to-speech at the right place at the right time of your video. Don't forget that when you actually choose the voice, when you pick up the font and the text, you want to make sure that you place all this at the exact frame, at the exact moment of the video. Otherwise, everything else will not make so much sense. Subscribe and come back for more.